Making My Own Choices by Karen Lugers, illustrated by Katie Zoloninsky. Words to learn. Home health aide. A person who helps someone at home. Wants. Things you would like to have. Needs. Things you must have and can't do without. Speak up. To say or show what you want or feel. Choice. One of the things that you can pick. Your pick. Things to learn from this story. There are different ways to communicate and speak up for yourself. We all have the right to make decisions about our lives. Not being able to talk doesn't mean I have nothing to say. Equipment can help us participate in ways our body wants. Katie uses a wheelchair and cannot talk. Katie needs help to talk. Sydney is a home health aide that helps her. Sydney helps Katie speak up for herself. Katie wakes up and makes a noise. Sydney helps Katie speak up for herself. Are you ready to get up? Sydney asks. Katie smiles. Katie's smiles let Sydney know her wants. Sydney asks Katie if she would like a bath. Katie does not respond. Sydney asks Katie if she would like a shower. Katie looks up with her eyes. This is how Katie says yes. Katie needs to get dressed. Sydney knows Katie likes purple. She shows Katie the pink and the purple shirt. Today, Katie picks pink. Sydney is glad she gave Katie a choice. Katie helps make breakfast. She uses a special tool to pour milk. Katie touches the switch with her hand. The milk pours. Katie smiles. Sydney asks Katie a question. Katie is looking out the window. Sydney asks Katie to look at her. Sydney waits for Katie. Sydney asks Katie if she would like to visit a friend. Katie smiles. They visit Katie's friend for lunch. Katie says hello with her talking switch. Katie is glad to have Sydney. Sydney gives Katie choices. Katie tells Sydney her wants and needs. Katie can speak up for herself. Tips. People who cannot talk may still have ways to communicate their wants and needs. Ask one question at a time. Wait for an answer. Count slowly to 10. Expect the person to answer if they are capable. Do not answer for them.